What if learning programming could feel as simple as scrolling through your favorite app? Today, we're talking about Codex Master Programming, a mobile app designed to help people learn coding in a fun and interactive way. Codex is built for beginners and aspiring developers who want to learn popular programming languages directly from their phone. Instead of overwhelming users with complex textbooks and long lectures, the app breaks coding concepts into short bite-sized lessons that are easy to understand and complete anytime. The app covers major programming languages like Python, Java, SQL, and HTML and CSS. This makes it useful for users who want to start with web development, software development, or even data-related programming skills. One of the most interesting features is the interactive learning system. Lessons are designed with explanations followed by quizzes and coding challenges. This means users are not just reading theory but actually testing what they learn immediately. Codex also uses a gamified approach. As users complete lessons and challenges, they can track progress and stay motivated through milestones and achievement systems. This makes learning feel more engaging and less like traditional studying. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly. Navigation feels simple, and lessons are organized in a way that helps users build knowledge step by step without feeling lost. Another useful feature is flexibility. Since everything is available on mobile, users can learn programming during short breaks, while commuting, or whenever they have free time. This makes coding education much more accessible for busy people. Of course, like many educational apps, Codex works best when users stay consistent. It is not a shortcut to becoming an expert developer overnight, but it can build a strong foundation if used regularly. Some users have mentioned occasional bugs and repeated lesson issues, so the overall experience may depend on future updates and improvements from the developers. Overall, Codex Master Programming is an interesting option for anyone starting their coding journey and looking for a simple way to practice directly from their smartphone. Personally, I think Codex has strong potential because it makes programming feel approachable and modern. I like the interactive style and the fact that it focuses on practical learning. But I believe it still needs refinement and updates to become a truly top-level coding app. For beginners though, it looks like a solid place to start.